Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nail Art Designs. Let's started. Scraping off your nail polish is in the worrying thing to you can to get to do them. It makes your nail surface rough and pretty. It also strips away to a top layer of your nails. Also, to prevent the polish to a changing of its own. You must apply the nail paint in 2 rounds to this cost. Interest of reducing in this one straight layer of this color. Avoid scraping and peeling your nails. And instead use to content-free nail polish remove. If you do your household chores yourself, then it is for you. A lot of your cleaning and undergoing contain chemical and will cause harm to your nails when they come to a contact with them. A simple solution to is to wear gloves and protect your nails. Make sure you wash your gloves thoroughly after you and hang them out in the sunlight and sanitize them. Autumn-friendly colors orange in different shades. Show off your yellow, orange, and brown orange light with a mix of a black and a gold to create an interesting look. The nail trend with fall colors completed with each other well. In store glasses designs in right now just as you throw about what else to add to a item. It is your turn to try out this nail trend and what time is better than the print. You can choose to a chosen thing to about and add some other colors you like more. This design is a totally try which make to a perfect if you can't too after to go to a stylist. The colors are pretty and well make a great transition nail into a winter. The design is a cold at the bottom of a nail, red and a gold glitter French tip. Personally, I would probably out the red and a drunkard shade of a red and make it is my own. Almond nails are a popular trend of medium and long nails. They have a curtain to them and elegant fall nail designs is a proof. The colors are beautiful and well suits any fall outfit. Designs are a unique glitter and a marble nail and a black nail and are with shorts. A certain nail designs trouble the fan with this cute autumn nail designs. The green match to a nail ready to completed the to model fingers design. You were ready to be impressing the fancier of item with this design. Is a popular red shade of for fall, so it is no surprise how stunning this design is. It really helped the white and glitter in the model to stand out. Has a touch to elegance, and it is a fall stand-alone color. It would look great sold on all a finger as well as. If you are live through to a 19s, you can know the average very September issues of any trend to a fashion magazines heavily featured played as a classical for pretend. It is still timeless, but if you are looking for a fresh way to wear it, consider a French manicure with applied stick. This version by a nail-started walker of manufactured nails, especially autumn thanks to its warm shades of brown. Although the clear base may make to seem simple, the details within the applied itself make this a design of one you will want to make to a pro.